Okay, so let's take a look here at question number one. It says find the sum of the shaded parts. One grid equals one whole. So if we look right here, let's see how many columns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have we have 10 columns. So our denominator would be 10. And let's see how many we have shaded. 1, 2, 3. That would be our numerator. 3/10. Now, let's check the next model. Okay, let's see how many columns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. 10 times 10 is 100. So our denominator here was 3 because we only had, our denominator here was 10 because we had 10 columns. But our denominator here is 100 because we have 100 boxes. And let's see how many parts are shaded. Well, this is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it would be 3/10 plus 24/100. So we would have to find which one of these showed 3/10 and 24/100. Well, in order to do that, we need to actually take a look back at our place value chart. So we know that we had 3/10. I don't know why that's erasing. 3/10 plus 24/100. Okay, we know that. So we need to figure out where that would go. 3/10. So I would have to put the 3 here and then the 24/100. Okay, so that 3/10 plus 24/100. I need to show my 3 in my tenths place value. So you're going to need to find the option that shows the 3 in the tenths place value, which is the first place after the decimal. So you'll have to figure out which one does that. Now, moving on, let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 says Farmer Hill plowed 8/10 of an acre in the morning and 4/100 of an acre in the afternoon. How many acres did Farmer Hill plow? So we're going to be adding 8/10 and 4/100. So you are going to be using this interactive notebook chart to do that. So you had 8/10 and you had 4/100. So I want to fill out 8/10. Well, if I do 8/10, here's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, and 8/10. And we know that 8/10 equals 80. We know that. But now we have the 4/100. So to do that, I just have to click 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To get my answer, I need to figure out how many parts are highlighted. Well, we have 84 total parts highlighted. Out of how many? 100. So our answer would be 84/100. Just a refresher, what we did is we did our 8/10. We had to do 8 rows of 10, which we know equals 80. Okay, so we did 8 rows of 10, and then we did 4/100. We added them up. It ended up being 84 out of 100.